What's going on, guys? Today I am replacing the old factory headlights on my 2016 F-150 for new ANZO Switchback headlights. I won't be doing an install video, I'll just be keeping you guys posted throughout the whole ordeal. I don't have enough storage to record the entire thing, but I will update you guys as the job goes on. Alright guys, here they are. They're so sleek. The first thing I'm going to do is actually change out the halogen bulbs for these Generation Nino headlights. So, as I said in my last video, I'm going through all LEDs. So, these come with halogens, so I'm going to switch those out real quick. Alright, so I took out this one, ready to install the left side. I already put in the right side. I haven't done the switchback function yet, but here it is so far. It looks so good. And when I press the lock button here, there it is. Like I said, I haven't done the switchback function yet, so this won't be turning amber. I have to crimp those, but it looks awesome. And then my final video will be the finished product, so stay tuned. Alright guys, here's the final product. They look absolutely amazing. They look sick. And I'll show you the switchback function. Right there. So sleek. Very classy, very aggressive. I love it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like these too. And I will catch you in the next update. See ya.